Ever wondered what the future would look like? Well, with Apple Vision Pro, you don't have to wonder anymore. Welcome to a brave new world of technology where innovation meets design in the most spectacular way possible, the Apple Vision Pro. This isn't just another device, it's a revolutionary piece of technology that's set to redefine our relationship with the digital world. The Apple Vision Pro marks a significant milestone in Apple's journey of technological innovation. It's the culmination of years of research, design, and development, all centered around creating an immersive and seamless user experience like no other. The Apple Vision Pro is more than just a device, it's a glimpse into the future. It's a testament to how far we've come, and a hint of where we're heading. So if you're someone who's excited about the future of technology, and loves to stay ahead of the curve, then the Apple Vision Pro is just the device for you. Stay tuned to learn more about this game-changing device. Dive into the world of cutting-edge technology as we explore the detailed features of the Apple Vision Pro. Let's start with the display. The Apple Vision Pro boasts a high-resolution, edge-to-edge Retina XDR display. This means you're getting over 5 million pixels for ultra-crisp images and videos. The ProMotion technology ensures a smooth, responsive user experience with an impressive refresh rate of 120 Hz. It's like having a mini IMAX screen right in your hands. Under the hood, the Apple Vision Pro is powered by the A16 Bionic chip. This is Apple's fastest, most efficient chip yet, providing lightning-fast performance and power efficiency. The 8-core CPU, along with the 16-core neural engine, enables advanced machine learning capabilities, making your device smarter and more intuitive than ever. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing 4K videos, the Apple Vision Pro handles it all with ease. Now let's talk about the camera. The Apple Vision Pro features a pro camera system with 3 lenses: wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto. The new sensor shift optical image stabilization ensures your photos and videos are always sharp and steady. Night mode, now available on all 3 lenses, lets you capture stunning low-light photos. And for the filmmakers out there, cinematic mode allows you to create depth-of-field transitions just like in the movies, but that's not all. The Apple Vision Pro also offers ProMotion Face ID, the most secure facial authentication in a smartphone. It works both day and night, and even with glasses or masks on. This means your personal data stays secure no matter what. For the audiophiles, the Apple Vision Pro provides spatial audio with Dolby Atmos. This gives you a surround sound experience, immersing you in your favorite music, movies, and games. And with the new MagSafe technology, attaching accessories or charging your device is as easy as a snap. The Apple Vision Pro is not all about performance though, it's also about sustainability. The device is made of 100% recycled rare earth elements in the Taptic engine, and 98% recycled tungsten throughout the device. It's Apple's most environmentally friendly device yet, reducing its carbon footprint without compromising on performance. And let's not forget the software. The Apple Vision Pro runs on iOS 15, offering new ways to stay connected, focus on what matters, explore the world, and more. With features like FaceTime, SharePlay, Live Text, and Focus Mode, the device takes multitasking and productivity to a whole new level. Last but not least, the Apple Vision Pro supports 5G. This means faster downloads, higher quality streaming, more responsive gaming, and real-time interactivity. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you're always connected with the fastest speeds available. With these features, the Apple Vision Pro is not just a device, it's a revolution in technology. The Apple Vision Pro is not just about innovation, it's about simplicity and ease of use. Let's dive right into the basics of this extraordinary device. The first thing you'll notice when you power up your Apple Vision Pro is its sleek and intuitive interface. The visual clarity and sharpness are nothing short of breathtaking, thanks to the advanced Retina XDR display. Navigating through the interface is as easy as swiping your fingers across the screen, with every motion feeling natural and fluid. Now, you're probably eager to dive into the applications. The Apple Vision Pro comes preloaded with a suite of powerful apps to get you started. Whether you're editing a video in iMovie, designing a presentation in Keynote, or simply browsing the web with Safari, you'll find each application seamlessly integrated into the interface. Let's take a closer look at some of these apps. Say, you're working on a project in Pages. The toolbar at the top of the screen houses all the tools you need: fonts, styles, layout options, you name it. Simply tap on the desired tool and it springs into action. And don't forget the magic of the Apple Pencil. With its pinpoint precision and pressure sensitivity, it'll feel like you're writing on paper. The Apple Vision Pro also shines in its ability to multitask. With just a few swipes, you can have multiple apps running side by side, allowing you to work efficiently. And with the new M1 Max chip, you won't have to worry about slowing down. It's all smooth sailing here. And let's not forget about Siri. Yes, your personal assistant is here to make things even easier. Just say, "Hey Siri," followed by your request, and she'll be on it in a flash. Finally, remember that the Apple Vision Pro is not just a device, it's an experience. The more you use it, the more it learns and adapts to your style, making each interaction more personalized and enjoyable. With Apple Vision Pro, technology is not just accessible, it's a delight. Innovation has its price, and with the Apple Vision Pro, it's a price worth paying. When it comes to the pricing of the Apple Vision Pro, it's essential to appreciate that this is more than just a device. It's a gateway to a new world of possibilities. Packed with state-of-the-art technology and features that redefine immersive experiences, the Apple Vision Pro is a product of years of research and innovation. Now let's talk numbers. The Apple Vision Pro is priced competitively, especially when you compare it with other devices in the market. While it may seem steep at first glance, taking a closer look at what it offers justifies its price tag. You're not just paying for a device, you're investing in a technologically advanced tool that brings the future to your fingertips. Compared to other devices, the Apple Vision Pro offers more value for your money. It's a comprehensive package of high-end features, seamless integration, and unmatched user experience. Whether you're a professional looking for a tool to enhance your productivity, or a tech enthusiast eager to explore the latest in technology, the Apple Vision Pro caters to all. Apple also offers various payment options to make the purchase easier for you. You can opt for a one-time payment or choose an installment plan to spread the cost over a period of time. The company understands that its customers have diverse financial capabilities, and thus, it provides flexible options to accommodate everyone. Moreover, the Apple Vision Pro comes with a comprehensive warranty. This ensures that your investment is protected and you get the best after-sales service. In the grand scheme of things, the cost of the Apple Vision Pro is an investment in the future. With this device, you're not just buying a product, but a promise of continuous innovation, superior quality, and an unparalleled user experience. With its price and features, the Apple Vision Pro is an investment in the future. Let's wrap up everything we've learned about the Apple Vision Pro. This of tech is not just a gadget, it's a game changer. Its top-tier features like the high-resolution display, intuitive user interface, and blazing fast processing speed set it apart from the competition. Beyond that, the Apple Vision Pro offers a user experience that's second to none. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, making it a breeze to navigate through its various functionalities. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll find it easy to use and incredibly efficient. When it comes to pricing, while it may seem steep at first glance, the value proposition is undeniable. You're not just paying for a device, you're investing in a that enhances productivity, sparks creativity, and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a device, it's a vision of the future in your hands. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and updates on the latest gadgets.